everybody, I'm Zhala from speakpureenglish.com. Today I'm gonna introduce you a useful sentence structure. If you are too busy, you have to work a lot. Or when sometimes you become too lazy and you're not able to fulfill your work or something else. In this case, you ask or tell somebody to do your work. In some cases, you have to pay money for that work. In this case, we use the structure I have something done. Here, done is the past participle form of the verb. For regular verbs, we add ed. Clean, cleaned. Wash, washed. Repair, repaired. But for irregular verbs, we change it from the root. Build, built. Do, done. Write, written. Make sure that you know the list of irregular verbs, as most important verbs are irregular. If I say, I had my house built last year, it means I paid a house builder for my house and he built it. Last week, my watch was broken. I gave it to a watchmaker and paid him, and he mended my watch, so I had my watch repaired. The structure can be used in different tense forms. I have something done. I had something done. I will have something done. I am having something done. I was having something done, and so on. I have nothing for dinner. I have no time to cook. So I'll have my dinner cooked. My mom will cook. Thanks, Mom. The grass in our garden is too long, and I have told somebody to mow it. So at the moment, I am having the grass mowed in my garden. What kind of work do you ask people to do for you? Do you often have your work done? Write your answers using the structure in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Take care.